Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Looking for the perfect blender to upgrade your kitchen? In this video, we're counting down the 5 best blenders that blend power, performance, and price. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces, we've got something for everyone. Stay tuned to find out which blender is the best fit for you. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 5. Ninja BL770 Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. A powerhouse blending and food processing combo that's ready to take your kitchen game to the next level. With a robust 1500-watt motor, this beast handles everything from silky smoothies to tough dough with ease. 4 versatile functions let you blend, process, knead dough, and whip up your favorite drinks effortlessly. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for family-sized smoothies or frozen drinks, crushing ice like it's nothing. Need more? The 64-ounce processor bowl slices, dices, and even kneads dough for fresh, homemade bread. Running out the door? Blend straight into one of the 2 16-ounce Nutri-Cups, pop on a lid, and you're good to go. Easy to use, powerful, and versatile. The Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System is your all-in-one solution for blending, processing, and more. Number 4. Vitamix E310. With a 48-ounce container, it's perfect for small to medium batches, whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, or sauces. Control is everything. The E310 comes with 10 variable speeds, giving you the power to achieve anything from chunky salsa to silky smooth purees. And thanks to its 2 HP motor and aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, this thing obliterates even the toughest ingredients. Nuts, frozen fruits, you name it. Cleanup? A breeze. Just add warm water and a drop of soap. Let it run for 30 seconds, and you're done. Powerful 2 HP motor that handles tough ingredients effortlessly. Compact 48 Oz. Container, perfect for smaller kitchens. Simple to use with variable speeds and a pulse feature. Easy to clean with self-cleaning mode or dishwasher-safe parts. Durable build, backed by a 5-year warranty. The Vitamix E310 brings professional-grade performance to your kitchen without the premium price tag. Ready to blend like a pro? Number 3. Geniza Immersion Blender. Geniza Immersion Blender, 5-in-1. A compact powerhouse that promises to make your kitchen tasks a breeze. In the box, you get the blender stick with a 1000W heavy-duty motor, a 16-speed control dial, and 5 versatile attachments: an 800ml mixing beaker, 600ml chopper, whisk, milk frother, and the stainless steel blade blender head. The 16-speed settings give you precise control, from smooth purees to chunky salsas. Plus, there's a turbo mode for that extra power boost when you need it. Performance-wise, this thing crushes it, literally. Smoothies, silky, chopping, quick and even, whisking and frothing, fluffy perfection. And thanks to the ergonomic design, it feels comfortable even during longer tasks. Assembly is simple, and cleanup's a breeze since the detachable parts are dishwasher safe. Major win. Overall, the Geniza Immersion Blender 5-in-1 delivers solid performance, versatility, and durability, all at a budget-friendly price. Whether you're a home chef or just love quick, easy meals, this gadget is a game-changer. Number 2. NutriBullet Pro Plus. First off, let's talk design. The matte black finish gives it a sleek, modern look that fits perfectly in any kitchen setup. It's compact but feels sturdy, and that 1200-watt motor, it means serious business. Now, onto performance. The Pro Plus crushes through fruits, veggies, and ice effortlessly. Thanks to the pulse function, you get better control over texture. Perfect for chunky salsas or smooth nut butters. Check out that texture. Super smooth, no chunks left behind. Cleanup? Just rinse the blades and toss the cup in the dishwasher. Easy! So, is the NutriBullet Pro Plus 1200W worth it? If you're looking for power, versatility, and style, this little guy delivers. Perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and more. Powerful 1200-watt motor. It blends through tough ingredients like butter. Pulse function adds versatility beyond basic smoothies. Compact and sleek design fits easily on countertops and looks good doing it. Easy to clean. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe. Number: Vitamix 5200. First off, the design. The Vitamix 5200 comes in a sleek black-gray color with a professional-grade build that's sturdy and reliable. It's built to last, with a 64-ounce container perfect for large batches, and it has a self-cleaning feature that makes cleanup a breeze. Just add a drop of dish soap and water, and it's good as new in under a minute. Now let's talk performance. This blender packs a punch with its powerful motor that can handle everything from frozen fruits to tough veggies. It has a variable speed dial, giving you total control over texture. Whether you're making creamy smoothies or chunky salsas, the Vitamix 5200 is incredibly versatile. It's not just for smoothies. You can make hot soups, grind grains, and even make nut butter. The possibilities are endless, and the performance doesn't slow down with any of them. Using it is simple, and the controls are intuitive. No fancy buttons. Just turn the dial to adjust the speed. Plus, the 64-ounce container is big enough to blend a meal for the whole family, making it super convenient. Vitamix 5200 is a fantastic professional-grade blender that will last you years. It's durable, versatile, and makes blending easier than ever. Thanks for watching our review of the 5 best blenders for your kitchen in 2025. We hope you found the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gadget reviews. See you in the next one.